Today we are engaged in landland plants at home, apiary, and in particular Pavlovnia trees, felt and white clover. Pavlovnia is landed, so, initially, it is necessary for 10 to 15 minutes before the disembarkation is abundantly pouring seedlings. We make it warm rainwater. This is done in order for the soil in the glass to become a whole, dense earthen room, and not crumbled in his hands when transferred. Up to the specified time, it is not worth pouring, because the seedlings will become too breaking and with ease in this case can be damaged. Break, the more child who does not have experience. Next, we calculate the place of landing, taking into account the future growth and size of plants in compliance with the norms of good neighborhood. We are preparing a well, hole of the necessary depth, then a more fertile soil with humus, peat, river sand and with all the necessary minerals, useful substances, shelter are prepared. After that, lay the bedroom layer and try on the seedlings in the glass. It is necessary to achieve this level that the soil level in the glass was at the ground level on the site, because after disembarking and irrigation, a small shrinkage will occur. The plant will turn out to be planted with a small deepening. This is what we need. Then neatly cut the glass on both sides and transfer the seedlings together with the humus to the prepared hole. We try not to damage the roots. We overwhelm the remaining prepared soil and slightly weave it. Next, we shed well and after the departure of the water, shrinkage. We make a layer of the prepared soil in the level from the soil of the site and without watering, in order to initially did not form the crust and the tree successfully passed. At the end, we enlighten the place of disembarking with bricks. This is done with such a goal, since there was a white clover around the planning location of Pavlovnia, and it will need it twice the season to squeeze, and in order not to damage the tree with a trimmer, we are fencing it into such a way. While the tree does not take care and will not grow up, the brick also protects against random breaks, mechanical damage, pets, or from a strong wind. White clover disembarks, a vintage very simple. In the early land, we dispel, scatter into manual and, if possible, evenly, but Nelio seeds. Then shed and burum.